Welcome to Nari Saki. Today, let's make greens stir fry, and you can use this recipe for any greens you have, leafy green vegetables. So here I have sweet potato, tender leaves of sweet potato, and some red amaranth. So I'm going to mix those both, and the sweet potato leaves are from my backyard. There are a lot of sweet potato leaves, and I'm harvesting them especially for leaves. So I'm going to make this spice mix. Easy spice mix, 2 tablespoons of peanuts, and you can use this spice mix for any vegetable. It's very not that spicy, but if you want you can make it spicy. So I've roasted peanuts. I'm going to add some sesame seeds. The pan is very hot, so it will get roasted very quickly. And to this I'm going to add coriander seeds and dry red chilies. You can use any number of red chilies you want, because that's fine. Roast it very nicely, cool it down, and then crush it coarsely. So now let's make greens. So with the greens, I'm going to add some oil, mustard seeds, let it splutter, and after mustard seeds splutter, I'm going to add some chana dal, and urad dal is optional if you have. It gives a nice flavor to the seasoning. So urad dal and chana dal is optional. I'm going to add green chili. We have already added red chili for the spice mix, so I'm going to add green chili here. It smells so good. The dal when it fries in the oil, it's really good. Smells really good. So green chili, and I have chopped the greens. This is sweet potato leaves and red amaranth. Sweet potato leaves are very good for diabetic patients, those who have a sugar problem, and any greens you can use, and we are going to saute it for a little, like 1 or 2 minutes. Add some salt. Greens require very less salt, so add very less salt initially. Turmeric powder, and mix it again. Now I'm going to cover it and cook for 2 minutes. Now some vegetables, greens, they leave lot of water while cooking, and some don't leave that much. So after 2 minutes, I don't see any water. So I'm going to add a little bit of water, 1/4 cup. Don't add too much, because it will be overcooked. I don't like to overcook my greens. So I'm going to cook for another 4 to 5 minutes, and they'll be ready. Sweet potato leaves are just like spinach. If you have not tried it, the it doesn't take much time to cook. This is spice mix. So once I add spice mix, it will absorb the moisture. So my spice mix is not that spicy, because so it's more of peanut taste and sesame seeds. So mix it very well, and I'm going to add some fresh coconut. So after adding fresh coconut will give a nice flavor to this. I always add fresh coconuts towards the end to maintain that freshness of the coconut, because overcooked coconut also doesn't taste that good. So I'm going to cover and keep for another 1 minute, and put off the gas stove. So after 1 to 2 minutes, this is what I have. Now I'm going to put up the gas stove. Do try this with rice or roti.